Change the scenery today because I'm playing Assassin's Creed finally. Start off with Mitchell, like, oh my gosh, your reaction was priceless. I was just dying of laughter. So yeah, your reaction, you were like, oh, that was Hank Green. That was pretty freaking awesome. You may have seen the link for it at the end of Hank's video today, the ice cream change thing, which me and Corey saw first before it was a video. Hipster. I'm kidding. At the very end of it, it had a link to something called the Myth of IRL, and I'll try to include a link, like, click the sticky note, that should take you there. That video is really awesome. It's pretty much about how just because you don't know each other in real life doesn't invalidate your friendship. But I thought it was a really great video. I asked this in my video last week, but maybe between all the, oh my gosh, it's Hank Green saying hi to us, you guys must have forgotten it, but I'll ask it again. Do you guys have bikini baristas where you guys live? Because they're like a big controversial, overblown thing here. Last year, there was this huge deal about how they shouldn't be doing what they're doing, because it's adult entertainment and stuff, and they should have, like, concealed windows and stuff. Please ignore the change of lighting on my face. Assassin's Creed is starting up, so there's going to be random changes. I'm on the last mission where you get to kill the guys who burn books, so yay. My brother got a 3DS, and while we were waiting in line, I saw Assassin's Creed for the PS3 for $10, and I'm like, Mom, you haven't bought me anything for my birthday yet, so can I get that? Thank you. But Nerds in Music, oh my god, it was amazing. And Hank actually put up a whole like 43-minute long video of his entire performance, and at about 15 seconds, you can hear me shouting at him that he could regenerate, and then I don't know exactly where, but you can hear me in the background shouting at him, Infinite Grid! Yeah, and maybe you've seen Corey's video of Infinite Grid. And, oh yeah, I finished second half. I actually didn't realize until I went to edit it that I didn't have a ton of video from after intermission. I have like them singing Captain's Wife's Lament. A little bit of it, mostly it's just them fucking around. I am so glad that I had last minute plans to go to that. I didn't really get a chance to explain this in last week's video because all of it was video from Wednesday, but essentially here's what happened that led to me being able to go. Tuesday night, Sarah, she called me. Well, actually she ended up calling my sister because I wasn't home yet because I had a band council meeting. I'm rad. I'm on band council. So I call Sarah, and she's like, oh, Jenna can't go, so can you go? And I'm like, probably not, because my mom doesn't usually let me go out on school nights. I'll call you back. So I asked my mom, she answers me in about 10 minutes that I can go. Which leads to me, I ran around the house Rocky style, did a really lame attempt at a happy dance, and almost fell over, and then called Sarah and screamed into her phone that I could go. And then I went. My shoe. Relocation! This is the shoe. There's his signature. But yeah, so that's the shoe. Anyways, that's it. I will see Corey tomorrow. She passed her senior project, so yay! Send the shoe to John and get him to sign it, just so I could have a matching set. See Corey tomorrow, and have a good weekend, guys.